sending money abroad shouldn't be a hassle. And today, we're making it simpler by showing you exactly how to transfer funds from your allied Irish bank's account to your Wise account. First things first, ensure you have both the AIB mobile banking app and the Wise app installed on your smartphone. Log in to your AIB online banking or app. You'll need to initiate an international payment. Navigate to the Payments or Transfers section. Look for the option to make a new payment or international transfer. Now, you'll need to enter the details for your Wise account as the recipient for Wise. You'll typically use their bank transfer details. These can be found within your Wise account. By selecting the currency you wish to receive and clicking Add Money, you'll see options for bank transfer, which will provide an IBAN, BIC SWIFT code, and sometimes the recipient name and address. Enter these exact details into the AIB transfer form. Carefully input the Wise account's IBAN, BIC SWIFT code, and any other required information like the recipient's name and address. Double-check every character to avoid any errors. Next, specify the amount you wish to transfer. AIB will usually show you the exchange rate they are offering. It's important to compare this to the rate Wise provides. Once you've entered the amount, review all the details of the transaction one last time. This includes the recipient's information, the amount, and the exchange rate. AIB might ask you to confirm the transfer via security code or by using your AIB card reader. Follow the on-screen prompts to authorize the payment. After confirming, you'll usually receive a confirmation message from AIB and a notification via email or within the app. Your funds will then be sent to Wise. The time it takes for the money to arrive in your Wise account can vary, but Wise is generally known for its speed. You can track the status of your transfer within your Wise app. And that's it. You've successfully transferred money from your AIB account to Wise, setting you up for efficient international payments or currency exchanges at competitive rates. Remember to always verify recipient details and compare exchange rates to get the best value for your money.